Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Capchase non-dilutive funding. Review my usage experience. Capchase non-dilutive funding offers non-dilutive financing for SaaS businesses. It essentially allows companies to raise capital without giving up equity. The main purpose is to provide an alternative funding source for growth, focusing on recurring revenue businesses. Key features likely include an application process, valuation assessment, and funding disbursement. Their website provides details on eligibility criteria and the application process. Capchase positions itself as a fast and efficient way to access capital for SaaS companies. They claim a streamlined application process and transparent pricing. Their website highlights their focus on speed and ease of use, and they emphasize no hidden fees. The specific technology used isn't explicitly detailed on their site, but it's likely an automated valuation model based on their recurring revenue streams. Availability is limited to qualifying SaaS businesses. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Capchase. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The application was mostly online, requiring me to upload some financial documents and answer a few questions about my business. The entire process took less than a week. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my application status and relevant information. I was particularly impressed by how quickly they provided a preliminary valuation. The funding disbursement was also prompt once I accepted their offer. I had a quick question about the repayment schedule and their support responded within 24 hours via email. One minor drawback was the somewhat lengthy legal documentation involved in finalizing the agreement. The standout feature for me was definitely the speed and efficiency of the entire process. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Capchase. It provided a much-needed capital injection without requiring me to dilute my company's equity. While it has a few minor bureaucratic hurdles, it generally met my needs, and I would recommend it to other SaaS businesses seeking non-dilutive funding. That's my overview of Capchase non-dilutive funding. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.